Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you all an unboxing of my new Telfar bag, and I'm super excited to show you all this unboxing of this bag that I cannot wait to get my hands on. But before we get started, if this is something that you're into, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also do not forget to hit your bell notifications so that you never miss a video from me. Also, please like and comment, and let's get right into today's video. So first and foremost, a little bit of information about this brand. Once again, it is called Telfar and it was founded in 2005, and it is also a Black owned company. So I just wanted to put that out there, a little bit of background about this brand, and I cannot wait to show you all what I picked up. So whenever I received the bag, it did come in a huge cardboard box in which I did dispose of, and I went ahead and disposed of the cardboard box because it was so huge it would be so difficult to show you all in today's video. But I do still have it in the packaging that you receive, in which once you unbox it from the box, this is the presentation that you get right here. This nice little plastic bag, and it also has the Telfar dust bag as well. So let's go right ahead and let's go ahead and open up the packaging. And so now we have our dust bag, and here is the bag reveal time, you all. Look at her. She is so adorable. So the name of this bag is called the Medium Puff Shopper, and it's in the color Bubblegum. And I paid a whopping $130 plus $9 tax for this bag. So altogether for this bag was $139. And they were currently running a 50% off sale for all their puffer design items on the website. Whenever I purchased this bag, 50% off, you all, for a medium-sized Telfar was like a dream come true, because these are pretty expensive bags, so you could not beat that price. And I just absolutely love how stunning this bag is, from the puffer design to the bubblegum shade of pink. I just absolutely am obsessed with it. So let's go ahead and get into more details about this bag. Now on the website, it does give you a pretty good description of what this bag is made out of. So I'll go ahead and read that to you all. And then I'm also going to show you all what the inside looks like in more details, in which I can describe to you all about this bag. So on the website, they do describe this as a unisex bag. And specifically, the description reads, "Our iconic unisex Telfar bag, engineered in quilted nylon puff, featuring a double strap to be held in hand, over the shoulder or crossbody, with a magnetic snap closure and interior zip pocket." So the bag is packed in a drawstring bag with screen printed logo. As you could see, we did unbox it from that cute little dust bag, and it is also medium, and it fits a laptop plus your daily survival kit, you all. So I do have my laptop here as well, and I will be showing you all how it perfectly fits my Apple. It's about 13.5-inch laptop. So let's go ahead and take a deeper look at this bag. They do have this little Velcro holding the top handles together, so we're going to go ahead and remove that. And here are the longer straps. And then we also have in here that little magnetic closure that they speak of for the description on the website. We do have some little tags on here that describes like the name of the bag, and it's like the authenticity card that shows like it's Telfar, and it says established 2005 NYC, engineered by Moose Knuckles, and it has like more information about the bag as well. And the inside of this bag, we are looking like this. We do have some stuffed tissue paper that we need to remove. And we also have some fresh packets as well. So let's go ahead and remove those. And here we are. It is all pink in the inside. We also have a slip pocket in the front, and we also have a zipper pocket in the back. And it is just so basic, you all. It is not like a whole bunch of compartments or anything like that, but it's super spacious and it's very, very sturdy. We do not have any feet on the bottom, but once again, it is so sturdy. It's so stiff to where, you know, if you set this down on a tabletop, it's going to stand up on its own just fine. And I just have that on my vanity over here for you all to get a little glimpse of how it's stable. So let's go ahead and put that laptop down in it. So I do have my Apple laptop right here, and we're going to go ahead and put this down in the bag for you all to see how it fits the Apple laptop perfectly. And here we are. The laptop is in the bag and it fits perfectly, you all. So I absolutely love that because I'm currently a student in school, so that is just excellent to know that I have something that can fit my laptop and I can take it with me while I'm on the go. Here is the logo on the front of the bag as well. That's something else I wanted to point out, which is so adorable on here. I love how this has a different design to it. I love how they'll come out with different drops. Like for instance, they had a drop with the UGG brand, and it was Telfar times UGG, and I missed that because once again, it's so hard to get on there and order these bags. So I was so lucky to have finally gotten my hands on the puffer collection. I also do want to get a mini bag as well, but this one will work just fine for me for now. But here are the details at the back of the bag, which we have more of that puff design going on. This is also the side of the bag. Also, let's get into more details here. This zipper that is in the back here does have a cute little zipper pull, and it's so hard to show. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on this for you guys to see like a better view of the inside of the bag anyway, and you'll be able to see how cute this little zipper pull is. It has like the little Telfar logo for the zipper pull. And if you're not new to my channel, you know I always talk about how much I love me a versatile bag, and once again I have me a versatile bag here with this Telfar. I love how it has the long handle straps for you to use as a crossbody, or you can just hurry up and throw it on your shoulders real quick and let it hang. And I also love how you do have these top holder straps as well, where you can just hold them. Probably even just go ahead and tuck these down inside of the bag, the longer straps. And then you can just do a look like this where those long handle straps aren't even in your way. Absolutely adore Telfar and their beautiful bags. I'm so obsessed and I'm so happy that I have this one. And I do believe that sale is still going on for 50% off of their puffer items. There's so many different colors you can choose from. And also, you don't just have to settle for the puffer. There's also leather, and there's also, like, I believe it's a nylon. I definitely highly recommend because I love the presentation. And another good point about this bag is we do not have any hardware at all. There's no silver or gold hardware, which makes it easy to just throw on whatever color jewelry you would like, whether that be gold or silver, and you don't have to worry about mismatching with this bag. So please go ahead and let me know your thoughts about this bag down below in the comments. I am certainly obsessed. Let me know if you have gotten your hands on a Telfar bag before and what type of bag that you picked up. I'm definitely interested in some more bags that I've seen on their website. So that does it for today's video, the unboxing of my new Telfar bag. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And also do not forget to turn on your bell notifications so that you never miss a video from me. Please also comment comment down below, and I'll see you all back here again in my next video.